Assalamualaikum. My name is NURDANIA IRISHA binti ROSLI, matric number CE190224. So we are from group 7. We'll explain about the software. We use embed compiler by using an online. Then our project title is smoke detector system. This is the header, which is the include embed.h. First, we need to search the embed at the library, which is we need to import, and we search the embed file, and then this is the analog in LM35, which is a temperature sensor as an analog sensor. We connect it at a pin A5, and digital in MQ2, which is the smoke sensor, as a digital sensor, connected at a pin D11. PWM out buzzer as the output, connect at a pin A0. PWM represented by pulse width modulation, it representing a remarkable simple way of getting a rectangular digital waveform to control an analog variable. Usually it is voltage or current. We use 3 LED that connected with a difference 3 pin. We use LED red, connect at a D9, LED yellow at a D2, LED green at pin D3. These three LED as the output, and then the serial PC USB transmitter and USB receiver, which is the connection with PC. All the output will be displayed through the real-time software by using a monitor, and then the double voltage and temperature. While one, we use two formula to get the temperature. Is equals to voltage multiplied with 100. So this is the formula for voltage. To get the voltage, equals to LM35, which is the temperature sensor dot read times with 3.3, and then it will display the temperature degrees Celsius through the real term by using a monitor. So if temperature is more than 100 degrees Celsius, the LED red will on, which is at here, it will be blinking, which is 10, and then if LED red less than 100 degree, the LED red will be off. Sorry, if temperature is less than 100 degree, the LED red will be off. If MQ2 equals to 1, which is this is the smoke sensor as a digital sensor, LED green on and the buzzer is off if the MQ2 sensor do not detect smoke. So the LED yellow will be off, LED green will be on, and the buzzer will be off, and it will show no smoke detected, and it will display through real term when no smoke detected. And then if MQ2 equals to 0, the LED yellow will be on because it detect the smoke, and the buzzer will be on too because it detect the smoke, and the LED green will off, and then it will show smoke detected.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ZULHELMI bin Muhammad ZURAIDI. My matric number is DE190153. So for today, I will do the simulation for our microcontroller project, which is smoke detector system. So first of all, after we had done write the coding in the embed, we need to compile the file and download it. So this is the file which is we download in bin. So after that, we connect the STM to the laptop, and this file will be pop up. Okay, after this file pop up, we gonna transfer this bin file into the node F103RB to make sure our system has coding. So after the step has done, we're gonna open the real term, and this is the interface of the beginning of real term. So we Gonna choose display as ASCII, and for the port, we're gonna choose device manager to see the connection of the port of the STM. So as we can see, it use COM3. So for the port, we use port 3, and we need to change the bound to 9600. And click open. So this is our system, our smoke detector system. So this is the initial condition for our smoke detector system, which is no smoke detector, and the LM35 will read the temperature and will appear out in the real term. So to start the simulation, I will use the mosquito call as the indicator, as the thing that will generate the smoke, and to raise up the temperature to see the function of our system and how our system generate. Okay. 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 Um. Okay. As we can see. Okay. As we can see. Um. It. When the smoke detector MQ2 detect the smoke, the buzzer will be on and the LED will change to yellow LED. So the LED yellow will turn on. So to increase the temperature of the LM to show the function of the red LED, we need to use some heat to make sure the LM35 can reach the high temperature, which is we set up to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, as we can see, the temperature is raised up and we need to, okay, this is the condition where the LM detect the temperature above 100 degrees Celsius, which will trigger the LED red to turn on and blinking. So after, so as you can see, when there is no smoke detect, the buzzer will be off and the LED yellow will be turned to LED green. And if the temperature detect under 100 degrees Celsius, the LED red will be turned off as the initial condition. So that's all from me. Thank you.